Welcome to Election 2002 on KBYU TV. I'm David Magleby, professor of political science.
Since 1982, KBYU Television has been broadcasting election night forecasts to Utah audiences. The heart of those broadcasts is not at the television station, but here in the Department of Statistics. It's here that data gathered by students at exit polls across the state is tabulated as part of a project involving hundreds of students in one of the university's most expansive undergraduate mentoring experiences.
We went to various polling places, selected people to give them a survey, and on election night we tried to call the election as closely as possible to figure out who actually won.
They get acquainted with the process of how to select a defensible sample from a large population like the state of Utah, analyze the data. They get acquainted with issues of data quality as well as data analysis.
This is not something you typically hand over to students because it was a huge project. It involved more than 500 volunteers. And because we go on television that night and we present results, and if we're not accurate, we get embarrassed the next day. So there's a little added pressure with that respect, but professors are willing to it. They'll work you through every step and make sure you're doing it right, but when it comes down to it, you're the one that has to make the right call at the end.
I work with these students with more experience, and they serve as the mentors to small committees or groups who then carry out the actual work that is involved in the whole process of conducting the exit poll.
When I was out looking at possible grad schools, when I was able to say, well, I took part in a major statewide survey that accurately predicted results from an election, I was able to find ways to help coordinate such a large-scale effort. Schools like to see that. They like people who are able to make those kinds of decisions.